So what I made here is a scale model of the solar system in Desmos graphing calculator. You might know Desmos for graphing stuff, I guess, I don't know. But basically, this is our solar system, the sun, Mercury, Venus, whatever, and it gets pretty big. I think I added a bunch of cool features to this. So this is Jupiter. It has a lot of moons, and by a lot of moons, I mean a lot of moons. I added like all 48 or whatever they have, and it's crazy. And I also, yeah, scale size of Jupiter right there. It's really big. Oh. So if I were to do that, turn off that, guess it just disappears then. Yeah, look at that, the size of that compared to that. It gets really cool when you look at places like Earth or Mars, because this is Earth scaled to the moon, distance and size, and then this is Mars scale to its moons, which are extraordinarily small. And that is before it even starts moving. So I made it, you know, scale to their orbit times. And this is at some random speed. But if I multiply this by t, now it is going at real time. Wait, was it t? Yeah. T stands for real time. As you see, it's still moving very, very slowly. So I can speed it up a bit, multiply it by h. It's now every second is 1 hour. So it's going a bit faster now. I can make every second 1 day. And now you see things are really moving. My favorite thing to do now is look at Jupiter, and it is just going crazy. Let's put it back to real time. Slide that back. Real-time Jupiter right here. Oh yeah, real-size Jupiter. Now, let's do another one of my favorite things. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, this is the estimated size of the gravitational pull. This is the furthest comet known to orbit the sun. This is Pluto, Neptune, and this is Uranus. Probably. Just clicked on a bunch of its moons. This is Saturn. And my favorite thing to do with Saturn is if I turn on that, turn that, you will be able to very barely see some things. Okay. You can just barely see the red pixel. You can just barely know it's there. My favorite part is when I'm able to get all of them in one photo. Multiply that by h. You can get 3 of them here. Yeah, let's play a fun game called Spot the Moons. So, they're really small, but I can see one here, and I think there's one up here, but I can't remember where. Oh. Right there it is. That's it. And then there's one over here. So Saturn and its moons are, you know, you can kind of see them if you know where they are. Then you see the size scope of its rings right there. Pretty neat. See, what else is there? Mercury has no moons. Venus has none. Mars has 2, as I've mentioned earlier. Bam, bam, bam. That's the names. And in case you are wondering, I did in fact give a name to every single one of Jupiter's. It took so unreasonably long. I guess I can just turn off the sun, but yeah. Let's see. That is just basically it. Favorite thing to do is just, go to Jupiter, turn on all of those, set that to hour, and watch it spin. Oh, actually set that to day. A cool thing about watching Jupiter's orbits is that if I turn those off, you see most of them spin counterclockwise, like all of those, but the outer ones actually do orbit clockwise, so they're like orbiting in separate directions, which is weird. It's pretty crazy once you see it. It's just whack. Anyways, that's all I got for this time. Yeah, I'll see you next time.